I have never glued any 3D printed plastic together in my life, and this is my first attempt. I've used a product I found in Kaufland, and it's called Tropelka. It's 5 zloty, which is about £1.20, euro 10, whatever. And I glued together these two parts, and as you can tell, this is holding really well. Probably an overkill for the project I'm just gonna show you in a second, but hey, it gets the job done. It didn't need a lot of glue and it's set very quickly. So there is that. Now, the thing I've been designing. Oh, this is such a beauty. I really like this. In person, this looks so much better. Now, what this is like a tag for the bubble tea popping pearls. There is a shop here in my city, and they are using these ones. The problem with these is that this text just disappears after a month and a half for some reason, so they need a replacement. So I thought this would be absolutely amazing to 3D print, so I designed this, and hopefully you can see how good this is. And it's just like, again, in person, so much better, but oh my goodness. And I do enjoy the fact that this graphics extends out beyond the actual base. So I love this to bits. Hopefully they'll enjoy it as well. And if they do, I'll have to make like, I don't know, 30 of them for different ones, like strawberries and other strange ones. I don't even know how to translate. So yeah, this is really cool, and I wish I had a four color 3D printer that I can just print this in one go as one part, but unfortunately I don't have one, so 3 parts and glue it is, and that's kind of it. Thanks for watching.